Hello everyone, this is Mario from Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Olympia Cremina espresso machine. Now for this machine, we replace the seals of the side glass. We also service the group head, the deep clean the piston and replacing the gaskets of it as well. We also replace the gaskets of the group head itself, and we also replace the gasket right over here. So yeah, that's what we do with this espresso machine. Now starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna be testing it out. Then we're gonna be using the steamer. Now hopefully I pick up the right grind settings of this machine, otherwise we're going to see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. It was on the finer side as it was a little hard to pull the lever, but we still got a nice layer of crema on that espresso shot. When I some coffee, when I remove it from here, as the group head will slowly depressurize itself, as these don't have really a depressurized system to remove the pressure from here. If you try to remove the portafilter right now, the machine will just sneeze. We can focus on the espresso shot now, and you can see nice layer of crema coming out. Really good shot. Almost 2 ounces of liquid, which is amazing. Now we're gonna be testing the steamer. As you can see over here, excellent steam coming out from this machine. I'm burning my hand right here. Excellent pressure, working great, working perfectly fine. So there you have it, Olympia Cremina working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit the like, hit the bell, and thanks for watching.